Forex trading in Canada is a massive market, but it's unique. If you're looking to trade currencies from the Great White North, you need to know the rules. First off, yes, it is 100% legal for Canadian residents to trade Forex, but it's one of the most strictly regulated regions in the world. Unlike most countries, Canada uses a dual-layer system. You have federal oversight and provincial securities commissions working together. On January 1st, 2023, the landscape changed. IIROC and the FDA merged to form CIRO. The Canadian Investment Regulatory Organization. CIRO operates under the CSA, which represents all 13 provincial and territorial regulators, like the Ontario Securities Commission. This means a broker must be registered in every single province where they accept clients. This high barrier to entry keeps the market safe. Now, let's talk leverage. This is where Canada differs from offshore jurisdictions. For major pairs, leverage is capped at 50 to 1. While offshore brokers might offer 500 to 1, CIRO rules are designed to prevent account-ending losses from small market moves. A 50 to 1 cap means you need a 2% margin. This keeps your risk managed while still allowing for significant position control. For minor and exotic pairs, leverage drops even further, typically between 20 to 1 and 33 to 1, depending on the currency's liquidity. If you trade CFDs on gold, oil, or stocks, the limits are even tighter, often as low as 5 to 1 or 2 to 1 for crypto. Why so strict? Because it ensures that the brokers operating here are well capitalized and your funds are protected by the law. One of the biggest perks is the Canadian Investor Protection Fund, or CIPF. It's one of the best safety nets in the world. If your CIRO member broker goes bust, the CIPF covers your eligible account for up to 1 million Canadian dollars. Just remember, CIPF protects you if the broker fails, not if you make a bad trade. Market losses are still on you. Let's look at the brokers. Oanda Canada is a top choice, established, regulated, and very popular for currency specialists. Then there's Interactive Brokers, or IBKR. They are the go-to for professionals who want institutional-grade spreads. You also have Forex.com and CMC Markets, both of which maintain dedicated Canadian entities and strict CIRO compliance. Ava Trade also serves Canada through a partnership with Friedberg Direct,